Namaskar friends. Welcome to International Yoga Day. The theme of International Yoga Day is humanity. Please be seated. Now we are going to chant Om for 3 times. Followed by there will be a yoga mantra. If you know the mantra, please chant along with me. If you don't know, please be silent and be in meditative position. So all of you please close your eyes and maintain yoga pose. Chin mudra, you can adopt this type of mudra. This is chin mudra. Imagine your Ishtadeva in your mind and chant with me. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचं मलं शीलस्य वैद्यकेन योगाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पताञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं दानतोऽस्मि
Can you get
rub your both your hands so that heat should generate. Gently touch your palms to your eyes. Dear friends, we will go in a sequence of yoga asanas. First we will do standing asanas, then we will do sitting asanas, then follows all on prone asanas, means towards on your abdomen, and lastly we will do backward culture.
Yeah.
Stand up and stand in Tadasana. Raise your hands up to your shoulder level. Raise your hands onto your waist. Now stand stiff. Then slowly we are going to do neck movements. We will see down, then up. So the sequence or the rule of breathing during yogasanas is whenever your body parts are moving away from your body, means up like this, inhale. మన బాడీ నుంచి దూరం వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు మనకు బాడీ పార్ట్స్ పైకి కానీ అవే కానీ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు శ్వాస లోపలికి తీసుకోండి. కిందికి లేదా దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నప్పుడు శ్వాసను వదలండి. రైట్? సో దిస్ ఇస్ సీక్వెన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు రిపీట్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్. We are going to do the neck movements. Slowly look down. Normal, then up. Look into the sky. Look above. Come to normal. And see towards right. Normal. And left. To normal. Now neck bending. Bend your neck towards right. Come to normal. Then left. Back to normal. Now we are going to do neck rotation. So clockwise first, then anti-clockwise. So 2 times right side, 2 times left. Back to your normal position. Stand ease. Mouth everything pinches and breathe normally. Now we are going to do Kati Chalan Kriya. Please raise your hands. Now towards front side. Same thing, front side. Yes, relax. Now we are going to do knee movement.
పెట్టుకున్నా
Position. Relax. See me. All of you take Namaskar Mudra. Slowly lift your right leg and put it on your left thigh. And please don't close your eyes. See something. If you can maintain your position with closing, you can. But it is available to open your eyes. Keep open and raise your hands. Then please repeat the same with opposite leg. Take Namaskar Mudra and use your left free force. Raise your hands as much as you can. Awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Right? And take Namaskar Mudra and relax. We are going to do Ardha Chakra Asana. Ardha Chakra Asana. Yes. Stand Asana. Attention. So raise your hands and bend back as much as you can. So control your balance.
బయట పడేవా అయితే లేరా
Now Padahastasana. So in Padahastasana you can do like this.
ఇప్పుడు
So first Ardha Chakra Asana, then touch your feet without bending your knees. All Ardha Chakra Asana. Down. So maintain the position. Yes, back to
now
Now we are going to do Veerabhadrasana. This is barrier pose, means Yuddhaveeru చేసేటువంటి pose. And there are
ఏంది ఇది
there are three kinds.
వీడు సంవత్సరం ఇచ్చినామని జాయింట్ చేయాలి కొన్ని మంచిగా జాయింట్ చేసి మస్తు వస్తుంది కదా మొత్తం తీసుకున్నా
Please keep your both legs 2 feet away. Distance. Raise your hands, both the hands. Right foot towards your right. Then bend towards your right side. Look at your right. Bend as much as you can. So enjoy the position. So Now, left, towards left. Same thing. Keep your both the legs. Keep 2 feet. away. See your hand. Carrier pose. Excellent. Excellent. Everyone is doing very well. Good. Back to normal. In a step-wise manner, those who can do it. Doesn't matter whether you are following the steps or not. Just try to follow the steps what I am going to show you. It is going to have 11 poses and 12 steps. I am going to show you first. Please look at me. First you can look at Adapt, Namaskar Mudra, then Ardha Chakrasana, Padahastasana, Ashwasanchalasana. This time bring your right leg. These are the steps. So he is going to do. Try to follow the steps. So all of you stand in Tadasana, adapt Namaskar Mudra, and I am going to chant Surya Namaskar mantra. Those who can chant with me, please chant along with me. Otherwise, please imagine your Ishtadeva in your mind and try to follow my words. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापिहितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ॐ शान्तिः. Close your eyes. ॐ शान्तिः Shantihi. Now we are going to start Surya Namaskar. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ardha Chakrasana. Raise your hands. Bend back. Padahastasana. Touch your feet. Ashwasanchalasana, ready to run pose. Your right leg back, ready to run pose. Ashwasanchalasana. So keep your left leg also back and maintain Dandasana, scale-like position. Yes, Dandasana. Now Shashankasana, rapid pose. Sit on your like Vajrasana pose. Stretch your hands forward and rest your chin on ground. On that as much as you can. Stretch. Touch the chin to your ground. Relax. Relax here. We have some time.
లోపల వేసుకుని అవి అన్నీ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి.
Ashtanga.
ఏంటని కుదరమా?
Yes. Yes. Touch all 8 parts of your body. Don't touch your throat. మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి భాగాన్ని భూమి కామించగలరు. గర్భం, చెస్ట్ని, మోకాళ్ళని,
సాయరన్ చూడు సాయరన్ చూడు.
అష్టమిని your legs. Look straight. Raise your leg. Cobra pose, like snake. Yes. Parvatasana.
ఓలి
Again, Shashangasana. ఇంత ముందు లాగా కూర్చోండి. కాళ్ళ మీద కూర్చొని రెండు కాళ్ళు చేతులు ముందు పెట్టి శశాంకాసన. That is ఈసారి కుడికాలు ముందుకు తీస్తారు.
పని పోతుంది.
కుడికాలు ముందుకు తీస్తారు. Bring your right leg forward. Ready to run. Look forward. Yes, in the running pose. Good. Please stand up. Padahastasana. కాళ్ళు పట్టుకోండి. Padahastasana. అర్ధచక్రాసన. వెనక్కి చేతులు ఎత్తేసి స్వస్తి నమస్కారం చేసుకోండి. Now we are going to do some sitting asanas. Please all of you do concentrate in Dandasana like this. Just look at me. Yes. In your both feet. Yes. దగ్గర తీసుకోవాలి రెండు కాళ్ళు అరికాళ్ళు టచ్ చేయాలి. టచ్ చేసి రెండు చేతిలో.
అందుకు వాయిస్ ఉంది వాళ్ళని వీడియో.
See, with your yes, you can yes. As close as you can. Yes, very good. Good. Excellent.
ఎడగొడు వాసారు.
Now, back Sukhasana, all of you, all of you. Now we are going to do Padmasana. It is lotus pose. Yes, I think everyone knows this Padmasana. Please start. So please adapt Chinmudra. Means keep your hands like this. Like this. Please close your eyes and try to be in a meditative pose. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mujjorma amrutangamaya Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Please don't open your eyes right now. Just relax. Imagine your Ishtadeva in your minds. Breathe normally. Yoga is the science of controlling the ever-evolving fickle mind. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. The mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Relax. stand up, be bold, be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believing that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Live to learn and learn to live. Life is a process of learning or human excellence. Pursuit of excellence is goal of life, purpose of life, destiny of life. Learn from the past, plan for the future, and live in present. Present is the only cash in hand. Utilize it wisely and well. Teach yourselves, teach everyone his real nature. Call upon the sleeping soul and see how it awakes. Power will come, glory will come, goodness will come, purity will come, and everything that is excellent will come. When this sleeping soul is aroused to self-conscious activities. Pursuit of excellence is purpose of life and goal of life. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Please don't open your eyes. Rub your both the hands as strong as you can so that heat should generate. Gently touch your hands to your eyes so that now open your eyes and look into your palms. చేతులను అరచేతులను చూసుకోండి నవ్వుకుంటూ with your smiling face. Please look at me. Don't stand. గ్రౌండ్ టచ్ చేసి పడుకోండి. రెండు చేతులు ముందుకు చాచండి. First stretch your hands, then fold your hands and rest your head on your hands like this. This is Makarasana. Please maintain the same position. So this is Makarasana. Rest your head. And you can bend your head towards left and right also. Keep straight or else right and left. Relax. Breathe normally. Now we are going to do Bhujangasana, that is Cobra pose. Cobra pose. Yes. Back to normal position. Sit down. Now we are going to do asanas lying on our back. So, please lie down on your back. We are going to do Ardha Halasana. Means, check. Yes. Please look. Yes. He is doing full Halasana. Yes. Or half also is enough. Halfway. Yes. Please do. Like this. Yes. Awesome. Yes, back to normal position. Now we are going to do, please. Please, all of you lie down on your back in your stretched hands. Maintain stack position. And now we are going to fold your right leg and touch the knee to your chin. మీ కుడి కాలు మంచుకొని మీ యొక్క గదుమకు ఆనించండి.
అంతా
Yes. Forcefully. Bind. And then left leg. Maintain the position. Now both the legs at a time. And press as much as you can. Yes. Press చేయండి. గట్టిగా కడుపు వేసి వస్తండి. Maintain the position. Now back to normal position. And now we are going to do your favorite asana, Shavasana. Please lie down. And in a relaxed position. Relax. Relax. Down your hands. And keep your palms towards sky. ఆకాశానికి చూపుతూ మీ యొక్క చేతులను అరచేతులను చూపండి. కిందికి చాచి కాళ్ళ దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని పైకి చూపండి. See the movement of your body, how it is crying for oxygen or how it is crying for rest. Feel the body parts from toe to head. You can feel the movement of your each muscle and each nadi. There are people say that there are 80,000 nadis are there in our human body. So feel each and every nadi. Feel the movement. Relax. Imagine your Ishtadeva in your mind. Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunattu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvi Navadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Please don't open your eyes. Please turn to your right and slowly wake up. Slowly sit down. Don't open your eyes. Turn to your right. కుడివైపు తిరిగి మెల్లగా లేచి కూర్చోండి. Don't open your eyes. నేను దండాసన కాళ్ళు ముందుకు చాపి కూర్చోవచ్చు. Now rub your hands and touch your eyes. Look into your palms with smiling face. Everyone is doing well. And now we are going to breathing exercises. So all of you please be seated in Vajrasana or Padmasana. If not, Sukhasana. And there are going to be some prizes to the best performers. So please be seated in Padmasana or Vajrasana and adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your both hands like this. Rest on your knees. Close your eyes. And now we are going to do Kapala Bhati. Kapala Bhati means, Kapala means breath and Bhati means which cleanses and activates your mind. Yes, let us start. So this pranayama, it is Kapalabhati. So take only once first, deep inhalation. చాలా గట్టిగా శ్వాస లోపలికి పీల్చుకోండి. తర్వాత అండ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పెల్లింగ్ ద బ్రీత్. రెండు ముక్కులో నుండి బయటికి గాలి వదలడం మీదనే ధ్యాస పెట్టండి. లోపల పీల్చుకోవడం ఆటోమేటిక్గా జరిగిపోతుంది. సో డోంట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ఇన్హేలింగ్, జస్ట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్హేలింగ్ ద బ్రీత్ లైక్ దిస్. Do it for 1 minute, then relax. Relax. Stop. Now we are going to do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It is going to rain. I am going to close it now. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Adapt Nasika Mudra like this. Nasika Mudra. Close your left nostril like this. Inhale through right nostril, then exhale through the left nostril, and inhale through left nostril and exhale through right nostril, and do it alternately like this. This is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It is also said to be Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Please do it alternately. So it is going to rain. I am bit in hurry. Please follow me. Please adopt Namaskara Mudra. Namaskara Mudra. Sit in the same position and adopt Namaskara Mudra. We are going to end. It is going to rain. Om. All of you please say Om. Om. Loudly. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Please rub your hands and touch your eyes. Now gently open your eyes. Please be seated. Gently open your eyes and see, look into your palms with smiling face. Please be seated. Thank you, friends. Everyone did well, and I am very much thankful to all of you. Namaskar. Please be seated. In relaxed position, you can sit down.
Have you enjoyed it? Yeah? It is really good, no? It is beyond my expectation. Really, he taught us like a yoga guru. I am thankful to Kiran and Venuchari and for all the things they have done. And Pankaj is here? No. Katham Srinivas? No. I request Katham Srinivas to come over here to just hand over a memento for today's yoga guru, Dr. Venuchari. Just a token of appreciation and memento for you. Yeah. Now I request Mr. Rakula Rajendra to come over here to give small gift. Yes, help it, I thank everyone for active participation. I thank Satish Reddy, the person who was telling that he cannot do, but he has done it wonderfully. I thank one and all. Please take the healthy drink and disperse.